Good morning. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Greg. I want to talk to you today about getting monetized. It takes 4,000 watched hours to get your channel monetized. It also takes 1,000 subscribers. You should make a YouTube channel, and you should make it now. And the reason why is, if you ever do get monetized, and I'm hoping to, I will have that library of videos working for me while I'm off making more videos. So even though right now the forecast is 32 years until I'm monetized, I'm still going to work on my library inventory because I want to have that already in place. Well, I'm 58 now. You do the math. That's going to throw me into my 90s. So being monetized, if it happens, it happens. And if it doesn't, oh well. The main thing is work on your videos. Work on the information you want to give people. If you have something to say, people are going to watch. There's also talk about the algorithm. The algorithm this, the algorithm that. The algorithm is getting people demonetized or just doing away with people's channels. Well, that's unfortunate. And it appears that every 6 months something in the YouTube headquarters changes, and so you just have to roll with it. I believe that right now is a good time to start a YouTube channel. I did, and I'm planning on having a YouTube channel for when I'm in retirement. And I'm 58 now, so hopefully I can retire when I'm 62, if not sooner. I figured I better start right now. I should have started 10 years ago, but I didn't even think about it then. So if you're going to make a YouTube channel, start right now. People are interested in what you have to say. In the Ask YouTube Studio, it said my videos were doing good, which was good to hear. They just hadn't gained traction yet. And I'm brand new at this. I don't even have 90 days into doing my YouTube channel. So we will see. It kind of gives you hope. One thing that I did learn when I started making my YouTube channel was it was really, really hard to talk on camera. And I've gotten a little bit better at it. So I'd like to think. But I made a couple of videos, and then when I made them, I didn't really want to post them, but I wanted to show a select few people. And that was a really good help for me, just to get some personal feedback rather than throwing it out there in front of the world. So you might think about doing the same. Make a YouTube video or make a video, and no matter how quick or how long, and just show a select few, or just watch it yourself. And think about, you could have a diamond in the rough. Let's see those videos. We'll talk to you later. I'm Greg. Thanks for watching. Bye.